So suddenly I was just watching Donut just crash out. Let's just watch this then. Let's just watch this stream. I'm gonna watch as much as I can until I have to go. So let's keep watching.
I can't. I'm genuinely mad. I'm genuinely mad at everybody. I don't know what to say. Like, Steak is one of the dumbest people I think I've ever met. How does he not understand that him flooding the server is not gonna make the border expand faster? How does he not understand that? How does he not understand? I don't get it. I don't get it. TP for a regear? He's just an idiot. He is so dumb. And same with everybody that's on Team Flood. It doesn't make any sense. I'm so mad right now. People are making fun of you.
What if I just type Team Flood now? What if I type Team Flood?
100% cover the entire surface of the world in water, because there'll always be players attempting to remove it, and there will always be areas that are like free. So I just don't think there's any logic in that argument.
This is my real life friend, by the way. My real life friend saw our conversation. I've known this guy since 7th grade. He saw our conversation at that table and decided, you know what? I'm gonna go live for the first time in what, 9 months and destroy the server. Flooding the Donut SMP until the world border drops. How do they not understand that the world border is not going to drop faster?
Oh my God,
the world border is not going to expand faster if you flood. How does he not realize that? There are new players who are going to play the server, who are not going to know how to play, and they're just going to die by the water. I can't even join, bro. I know. It doesn't make any sense. It gets me so mad.
Are you gonna make? I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna try to make whatever I can. I'm gonna come up with an idea, and no matter how good it is, I'm going to record it and do it in a day, send it to someone else to edit, and upload it.
Oh my God! And is he talking about making a tutorial for a flooding machine? Is that what he's talking about? There is no way he's going this far. I'm getting way too mad. Why am I having thoughts of like seeing him in real life, bro? Yo, I'm getting way too mad. Why is he doing this?
Sorry, Roscoe. I accidentally deleted your message. Should we like make all farms equal? What farms should be the best? The ones that are the most difficult to make?
Wait, Squid, do you have the regear, like loot?
Okay, that took 4 minutes. Wow.
Why is Dash calling me? Oh, TP. What, bro?
Yo, my boy, listen. Why are you saying, why am I having thoughts of him IRL? Like, what are you gonna do to him? Like, you're thinking about punching him or something?
No, I'm thinking about just like, I thought about like, what if I went to his house and unplugged this PC to like stop him from promoting the flooding?
Bro, listen. Donut SMP is so laggy right now because of how much floods there are that I can't even fight Crystal anymore. Like I can't wager you anymore.
I know.
Anymore.
This is why it makes me so mad.
And the thing is, I was about to give the best point ever. Like after that guy was done talking, I was gonna come up on the stage and I was gonna change everybody's mind. And then the stage got griefed a second later. Like if you heard the points I had, genuinely, like I think ISO Speed would have joined a server and started contributing to the team drain.
Yeah, what were the points? There's no way your points were that good. What are your points? Do you want to say it to Steak?
Yeah. TPM here.
Is Steak still streaming?
No, come on. I'm not even gonna put on anything. You can just have my word, bro. I have crazy points. Everyone's gonna switch over to team drain after they hear what I have to say.
Okay,
bro.
And also,
I got you, bro. If you need...
Why? Okay.
Why?
What? I'm not even gonna say it.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Why was perfect? Bro. Isabella at the meeting.
Cause they're great additions to Team Drain, bro.
Okay, bad. But not Bubby though.
Bro, I guess not. No, bro. All right, wait. I need loot.
Steak. Oh yeah, got you. Wait.
Put a little staircase right here.
Oh, perfect, bro.
Don't kill him. Do not.
Right, so I can affect more.
I'm not gonna kill him. I want to hear your amazing points. Wait, I'm gonna try to teleport to them, and I'll bring you. So you promise you have amazing points?
Yeah. Listen.
Okay.
When you hear my points, you're gonna calm down, and then. Not gonna lie, an angel might come from the sky, and.
Your points are that good that an angel will come to the sky. What are you even saying, bro?
Just watch. Can't say too much. You just have to listen.
Do you guys trust in Dash to give good points? Why is everyone saying AJ's Team Flood?
My boy, we got everybody.
Stop saying my boy! You stop saying my boy! Please stop!
Because Kelp turned on you. He went from doing 0 to 100 mil in your house to flooding your server.
I know.
And then,
I know.
And then AJ left mid argument, and I was flooding the server too.
There's no way AJ's flooding the server. I don't believe it. AJ's switching sides. Hold on. I'm turning off teleports for AJ so I can figure this out.
My boy.
TPA Steak. Yo. Are you joining Team Flood? Why is everyone in my chat saying you're joining Team Flood?
Bro, I can't be under you, bro. I can't help you if you're so psychotic to a point that you find no way that you can help Team Flood, and that the only way that you can proceed is by killing them. Like, the fact that Stick was willing to find some terms to try you and help you, and the fact that you did not care and you were too filled with anger to just want to kill him, like, you understand that nothing's going to ever come out of you just killing Steak over and over and over. Like, he's just going to, his movement's just going to get stronger, and he's just going to want to flood more. So the fact that, like, Steak was willing to get some terms, get some negotiations some type of way, but the fact that you're so far gone that you, yo!
I won't stop. I'm done.
I'll never stop. AJ!
Donut!
Why are you on the other side? Why are you on the other side?
Team Flood. I didn't even said if I was Team Flooder yet.
No, everyone said you were. Everyone said you were.
You're gonna trust them over me? I haven't even said anything.
Okay, what side are you on? What side are you on? What? Talk, bro. Talk right now.
Listen, if I placed that water bucket that I had in my hand, I would have been a part of Team Flood. I didn't even place it yet. There was no water. I have not placed a single piece of water yet.
Why was everyone saying? Why was everyone saying you're Team Flood?
Because there's a good chance that I want to join, bro. Look at you. You're about to kill your best friend.
No, it's not about me. I'm not the leader of this whole thing. Sure,
yes,
maybe.
You are.
Not really. I'm bringing a couple of flooders together. There's not leader. They're two separate teams made without me.
Who is?
There is no leader. It's everyone together. It's everyone. Snake's not really the leader of Team Flood. The flooding happened before he joined.
Bro, but listen,
y'all don't have to listen to me. Think about the movement. Don't think about me.
Listen, you have to look at it as a whole, bro.
It is getting me so mad how long it takes for you to talk. Say your point faster, bro.
Look at you, bro. You've never acted like this before, bro. You're dude. You sound terrible. You're so mean now. You're so aggressive. Like, bro. Oh my god.
It's not about me. It's not about me. It's about the movement. Just imagine I wasn't even a part of the movement. Imagine I wasn't a part of the movement.
You are. Well, even if you think you're not, you are, bro. Because you're the leading team of Team Flood. Look at the meetings. If everyone's a part of the movement, why are you the leader of Team Drain? Why is Steak the leader of Team Flood? Whoever's the most influential is the leader, and you're about to kill your best friend.
You're about to switch to the other side and destroy my server. What do you mean, Cal?
I haven't even picked a team.
You said you were about to do it.
Yes, I was thinking, because look how aggressive you are. The fact that you can't even try to convince me, instead you want to kill me, just shows how bad you are as a leader.
This might be the downfall for Dr. Donut.
Let me tell you what you need to do.
Say it, bro. Say it. What do you want to say?
Bro, listen. What you need to do
just hurry up.
is
Just
talk to Steak. Bro, you look like the villain right now, bro. And you're on the good team.
Not. I already explained all my points. I explained that it makes no sense to be on Team Flood. People are not realizing it. The only thing we can do is just kill them. That's it. There's nothing else to do at this point. We explained all of our points. We explained all of our points. We explained everything. And they don't care. They're making dumb points just to explain why they're on that side. Not trying to explain why their team is great.
Steak was willing to find a way to try to help you, bro.
No, he was not. No, he was not.
Yes, he did. He literally, he tried multiple times.
I could tell by his points that they were just dumb points. Just to they weren't actually good points. It wasn't even really what he believed. And he wasn't responding to our points. He was like, "Oh yeah, you're right. You actually won't expand the border faster."
Has the media ever come to a conclusion? The media didn't even come to a conclusion. It hasn't even finished. Every time that we even try to have a meeting, it's gotten stopped. Whether it was people, whether it was you. How about you have a meeting where it's finished, where you fully say your point, he fully sees your point, and you guys even attempt. You haven't even attempt to try to make a deal yet.
Okay, I'll
you
TP
haven't
him.
even attempt.
I'll TP him here. And Dash said he had an amazing point that would help everybody join Team Drain.
Okay.
Steak, TP accept. Is Steak... Okay. Yo. Listen.
Yo, what's good?
Steak, I'm sorry for killing you.
Guys?
I'm sorry for killing you.
Oh, that was not cool, bro.
I know.
You want to understand, bro. Me versus you is like a baby versus a full-grown 35-year-old bodybuilder. I can't even hit you back, bro. It's not fair.
All right, I'm sorry for killing you.
It's disrespectful, bro.
I understand. Can you listen to Dash? He said he had. Can you explain how good your point was to them? I want to come to a conclusion. AJ's saying I felt like the argument was over and that you're never coming to Team Drain, but he's saying that's not true and we were still talking. So let's finish our conversation and make a conclusion. And Dash, can you give your point as to why he should stop flooding the server?
Okay. So, Steak.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
So you guys flood the server because you want the border expand?
Well, it's more than that. I talked to my constituents, and it's more than just the border expansion.
But why was your whole team saying it's just border expansion? Now you're backtracking and saying it's not the border expansion.
Sir. Is this twist Steak's word, or is this come to an agreement?
Okay. You're right.
Every time Steak talks,
relax.
It's getting me so mad.
Bro, relax.
Oh my god.
Okay, Steak.
Okay, whatever, bro.
So
you're such an idiot. You're just dropping your totems, bro. What are you doing?
Yeah, I accidentally gave AJ my totem, bro. Whatever. Okay, just listen to me, all right? We need to talk about this fairly and in a great way.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Let's talk.
TP your friends here, and we can all talk as Team Drain and Team Flood.
I think we've gone past teams. We should just make a decision with Donut and Steak right now. We've talked so much. We've talked so much about why we think Team Flood is good. We talked so much why Team Drain is good.
Well, there is no good in Team Flood.
There's so much. Listen. Okay, the thing is, I would look at it like this: flooding the entire server. Don't kill me. Let me finish. I told Steak that flooding the entire server is a bad thing overall because he's trying to impose and force change. Listen, there are benefits of flooding the server. of flooding at least part of the server. I don't believe in flooding the entire server, at least parts, because you have this where people are coming together, more people are trying to play the game, more people are coming together as communities to try to stop and help. But the main thing that we need to do right now is find some agreement, find some 50-50. Listen, if you guys can't agree to either not flooding the entire server and then flooding the entire server, then make an agreement where some parts can stay flood and then some parts stay vanilla.
What in the world? That is so
That's
dumb.
fair. That's
so
fair.
dumb.
Rather than try to flood the entire
Why
server.
would I allow parts of the server to be flooded? That is so stupid.
It's either you
I
allow
think the drainers are stronger than the flooders, and it'd have less of the world flooded if we just were to fight.
Listen, Steak, if Donut kept on killing you and kept trying to kill you, and he got trainers to try to kill you and your team, would that stop you from flooding the entire server?
No, it would fuel me. It would make me more angry.
So how
And it
would
doesn't
that
matter
help?
because you're weak.
Take it back.
Like, bro, what are you doing, bro?
Dash, what?
back.
Yo, there's no way you took that. You got offended by that.
I'm not weak.
Yes, you are, bro.
Are you laughing
Bro.
at me?
You just said you're a baby, and I'm like I could bench like 555 as a bodybuilder.
Donut. Yo.
You admitted that you're weak. You're very weak.
Dr. Donut, listen to me. You sit here and tell me that I'm weak when I'm the one who's leading the
You're not
movement
leading
against you.
anything, bro. You're leading nothing. The Team Flood was here before you. You're just acting as a leader.
I have assumed authority over them, and I'm gonna make them attack even harder if you're gonna sit here and call me weak.
You
I'm
can't.
gonna
You
sit
can't.
here
You can't
and
make
I'm
them
gonna
attack
them
harder.
flood more.
You
I'm
are
gonna
so
make them
weak
flood
compared to the
harder.
entire Flood movement.
Bro.
How
Dash,
dare
Dash,
you
what
say
was your
that?
point? Dash, what was the amazing thing you wanted to say?
All right, my boys. So
Stop! Oh my god.
okay, no, I'm not even gonna laugh because this is very serious for me, and it's a very sensitive topic. So I'm also gonna take off all my armor. Okay, listen. So Steak, your guys' main point is you guys want the border to expand, but you guys don't understand that even if you do flood the server, I don't get how that's ever going to make the border expand. If anything, it's just going to make the server lag. And my main point is that when you guys keep on flooding the server, of course, more people are joining the server. They're all joining the server to flood the server, like you. You didn't invent the idea to flood, but you're a new player and you joined to flood the server. That's your whole objective. So, and I can't even PvP anymore, and I can't wager anyone anymore, and I can't even fight my friends because the server is way too laggy to crystal. So right now, I have nothing to do.
You're so weak you can't even kill yourself, bro.
Everything I said is
What are
bullshit.
you
Team
doing?
Flood, boys.
What?
Okay.
Yo, wait, what?
Yo,
No.
I'm done, bro. Do you have anything else to say, Steak? Is there any other conclusion to come to, or are you Team Flood? Answer, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, it's over. It's over. I don't care. I'm done. I'm destroying anybody that is Team Flood. Is anyone here Team Flood?
I'm not.
Yeah, you're Team Flood, right, RTK?
Right here, baby.
The amount of times that he has raced is unnumbered. Like, you could not, like, you could seriously not, bro. Like actually, what are you in, actually? If you're watching this video, comment down. Team Drain or Team Flood?
We're actually serious. You're Team Flood.
But with Dr. Donut's point there,
You want to go or something?
absolutely not. Fighting the people who is,
You can't get mad and kill me like I'm Steak. I'm not Steak, bro. I'm greater than Steak.
I mean, I understand they're trying to make the border
I don't
of it
have armor.
happen,
Where can I get some
but
loot?
that's just not gonna
Where
work,
can I get some loot?
you know? But
Is there any loot here?
comment down below which team you are in. Let's keep watching.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yo,
Yo.
Yo, wanna TP real quick for a temporary post spot so I can pull you?
Yep, sure.
Okay.
You're still team Drain, right?
Yeah.
W, bro. I'm glad.
Alright. Are you okay, bro? Like, you seem like really like mad.
Yeah, I'm mad, but I don't know. Yeah, I guess I'm okay.
Okay. Alright. I'll TP. Hey, don't turn around. The base is not finished. I don't want you to leak anything.
Okay, are these both drainers?
Yeah, they're
I'm,
all
I'm team
drainers.
drain. I'm team drain.
Yeah, I'm team drain. I've never
All
flooded.
three are drainers. Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh,
Donut.
you didn't put the bubbles.
Oh,
Wow,
boy.
Wait, what?
My
wait,
bad,
my bad.
Ferks. My bad. My bad.
All good. Yo, thank you guys for being drainers. I appreciate that, guys.
Bro, of course, bro. No, it's actually like so laggy, bro.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
We need more drainers, bro.
Alright, there you go.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you still on the roll.
Oh, my bad.
All good. Thank you guys. And what are all the streamers that are a part of Team Drain doing?
Dr. Donut. Fuck Dream. And fuck Drain. Team Flood, baby!
Let's go!
Alright. This is like the main like headquarters we have. We have Creek here, we have Steak here, we're gonna get
Squid? Squid, no. There's no way.
Jinxie here tomorrow.
We need AJ. Where's AJ?
Okay.
Oh, AJ. AJ.
Yo,
Bro, what happened?
bro, I don't. Dude, it doesn't really seem like there's a way where both sides can have peace, bro.
AJ, whose team are you on, bro? You have to make a choice. Listen, AJ, there's something I want you to do, okay? I want you to build a pyramid right in front of me. And I want you to put water on top of it right as Dr. Donut teleports to me. You hear me? I'm gonna go in his chat and I'm gonna say Dr. Donut teleports to me.
Bro, but
No. AJ.
bro,
AJ,
but Donut's my friend, bro. Like I
AJ.
can't just.
You have to act defiant. He's not gonna listen to anybody unless you do crazy things.
Bro,
You have to do this, AJ.
that's not a good enough reason, bro.
It's for the betterment of the server.
It's not. You're not trying to better the server, though. I never said I agree with you, too, though.
AJ. He has
Neither
to
are you right.
No, AJ,
listen, I need a. I want peace between
AJ,
both of you. That's what I'm trying to achieve.
AJ, he needs to understand that he
What,
can't
Dream?
treat his friends like this.
Also, Shadow, you're just gonna trap me, bro.
I
can't TP.
The thing is, I can't leave him.
TP. I'm ready to kill, bro. I'm ready to just kill everybody. Wait, V-Sync on? No. Alright, Dream is saying teleport request what, bro?
Yo, Donut. Donut.
What?
Take me to like a big flood area. Like a big flood area.
Like a huge one?
Just a huge one. A huge one.
Can anybody teleport me? I don't have a home.
Look, we're gonna do this together, Donut. We're gonna beat this.
Yes, bro.
We will. Look, I'm about to give you
Yes.
hope.
Yes. Who
And
has a-
DeQuavis is gonna help us, so he's gonna meet us there.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. I know.
Look, it's a three-part operation,
I know what's happening.
and we'll need lots of buckets. No, I'm just
Yes.
kidding. Not buckets.
Oh,
but
okay. Well, then never. I don't know what's happening. Okay, TBA. Who actually has a big flood? I want to. Who's a drainer with a big flood?
we need a really big flood. Like actually, preferably like an ocean.
Okay.
I'm telling you, we're gonna drop it by like 20%.
Yes.
Actually, right now on stream.
Yes. Yes. TPA. Perfect. She has one. Oh wait, it's perfect. It says area unsafe, so stand like on a full block or something. Thank you, Dream.
Yes, you're welcome.
Hello.
Hello. Is this big enough?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Oh, this is area unsafe.
You have to like go underwater.
Okay.
It's at high limit.
Dream, see if it lets you accept. There we go. Is DeQuavis online?
No, but he's coming. 1 second. Tell me when you're on. All right, look, I came up with something. All right.
Okay.
I'm telling you that this actually is gonna work, and it's gonna be far quicker than anything before.
Okay.
All right. It's a little bit of manual labor. All right, DeQuavis is on. TPM here.
Okay, DeQuavis, dude slash TP accept Dr. Donut. With 2 T's. So wait, AJ, I can't TP right now. Hold on. Tell DeQuavis to type slash TP accept Dr. Donut with 2 T's.
I told him.
Yo.
Hello.
What's good? What's good?
Yo, okay, guys,
It's really
look,
quiet.
we have a plan to drain this ocean. Okay. I'm about to key you guys in on the plan. I just need to buy something. I'm trying to find, how do you like make something without an enchantment? Like I need something without an enchantment.
Oh, grindstone?
Actually, wait.
Guys. Watch
People are gonna
out.
come?
Oh my god.
Zazzing has a home here.
I'm not weird. I'm not weird.
Oh my. Oh no,
That
there's
worked.
people showing
I'm not
up.
weird.
People are gonna show up?
Wait.
Most of the bigger floods people already have homes.
Okay, look, this is what we need to do. Look, I'm gonna explain. No one take this. All right, Donut, come here. Look.
Yo,
this is the plan.
No.
Team
Flood.
Team Flood forever, boys.
Team Flood.
Boo, Team Flood, bro. Team Drain,
Flood.
Team Drain.
I agree, Team Drain.
Look, we can start with the smaller. We can start with the
Drain.
smaller flood then, if we want. It'll be easier on a big flood. But if people are gonna just come, then
Okay.
wait.
okay.
Take the stuff out of the chest, Aquarius, for me. I don't care.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, just go find somewhere else where we can
find some sort of,
be
like,
private
medium-sized flood.
for now.
Go. That's it.
Aquarius, you should RTP.
Like
Slash
this is
RTP.
what I mean by Steak's just so dumb. Like it's insane how dumb he is. Like very, very dumb and clueless. Like what even in the world is he doing? Team Flood, and then he just comes and just dies. Like what are you doing, bro? What in the world are you doing? You look like an idiot. Team Flood. He just instantly dies. Like, what are you doing, bro? I have 2 things to tell you. Can you tell me after I find this flood? Grown man acting like a child. How am I acting like a child? I don't get it. Yo, where? Dream into Cuevas, y'all could look for some floods too. If y'all want to fly around and then tell me when there's something good. There's no, what in the world? Why is there actually no flooding? Dream, is this what you're looking for? Do you have a big one? Is nobody there, Ferrix? Did you find it yourself, or is there at least one person there? We need 0 people. Is it big? Is it bigger than this by a lot in NA East? Double? Is this big enough, or do you want somewhere bigger?
This is fine. This is fine. Look, it's just to show the concept, and then.
Okay. I'll teleport to Cuevas.
Yeah, get him in here.
Yo, I was getting so mad.
Yeah. All right. Look, it's gonna calm your nerves as soon as the Cuevas arrives.
Okay. Let me get rid of some items.
Yeah, you'll need some space.
Okay.
All right. Wait. I'm gonna tell him to accept again. Accept again. I think we can get rid of this whole thing right now. All right. All right. Here, this is the plan. All right. We need a couple items. All right. Put the items in the chest, okay, that you took from the previous one. All right. So each of us, look at this chest. Each of us need a pair of Frostwalker boots. Okay. We need a netherite hoe. So go ahead and take one if you don't have one and put it in there. We need a stack of TNT. So take a stack of TNT if you don't have it. Flint and steel. So if you don't have a flint and steel, take one. And then ideally some obsidian. This is like later on. Technically we're rich, so we don't need this part. This part is like for the fans that are watching along. What we do is we get some ice, right? Like so. And then a person that's not in a Frostwalker boots, you need 2 people. A person that's not in Frostwalker boots. So don't you take it off. You take this. You place it on the edge of the ice. Right?
Like right here?
Yep, like right there. Right? And then we move along and you'll place it along, right? And then somebody has the hoe and picks up the sponge. So don't just go on this side, like go on the very edge. And we'll clear on this edge, right? So like go on this edge. We need to get closer so we get the whole side. You see how like we're trying to get the edge? Right there. Yeah, so just a little bit further. All right, now we go. Okay, sweet. Now we just walk along. We'll just go sideways in place, and then Duquavis, you go behind us and you break the with the hoe.
The sponges?
Yeah. And then we can come back through as well with TNT as well. And we can get really quick and efficient. So I'm just gonna like sprint forward. You can just spam click. You got a bunch of sponges. I can get more. Here, Duquavis, take some sponges as well. Actually, screw it. Duquavis, you place as well. We get some people here that can place sponges.
Teleport more people?
Yeah, teleport more people, and I'll give them sponges.
Ferrix, do you want to teleport?
We got stacks on stacks of sponges. And then if you want, after they're wet sponges, you can take them. You just go to the Nether, place them, and then farm them like real quick, like place a ton of them.
Make them all dry again.
Yeah, make them all dry again in like 2 seconds. We need some people. We need a couple people.
I don't even know who to trust anymore. Who's watching? Ferrix? Did TV accept? Why can't you TV accept? Oh, there we go. Yo.
Right here, Ferrix, take some sponges. Take some sponges.
Wait, but isn't this like way more expensive though, Dream?
Way more expensive than what? Who cares? It's not about the money. It's about the draining.
No, but I'm saying that like, isn't it better if it's cheaper so that like everyone who wants to support Team Drain can like do it?
But look how much we can get done. Look how much we can get done.
And we're collecting the sponges.
Yeah,
Whoever's
really
in the back is
for
collecting the
rich
sponges.
Yeah, you can collect the sponges as well.
Wait, let me get Frostwalker.
For people that are you only technically to do this, you really only need Frostwalker boots and a stack of sponges. That's it, because you can collect the sponges from behind. Somebody can collect the sponges, or you can go back through and collect the sponges, and then basically like go to the Nether real quickly and spam place them and break them. It takes like not very long. We're leaving some residual, but we can go back around. We can go back around.
Wait, and how? And the ice just melts, right?
Just place more. Yeah, the ice will melt, but also we have TNT as well. So if we want to blow it up, then we can.
Oh, okay.
Is the idea.
Wait, so isn't it not just better then to have 2 players or like whatever many players to just turn everything into ice and then 1 player just like blowing it up?
But I feel like the sponges are quicker. I think.
Oh.
I'm not certain, but I think the sponges are quicker. I think the Gravis is trying to get like every last drop. He probably can just come catch up. But like the thing is, Ferrex, like if I go in the middle, right, and then you take off your Frostwalker boots, and then you're on one side and Donut's on the other side. We drain the sides, and then we come back through the middle.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Like this.
Okay.
Look at this. Look how efficient this is. Wait. Look how much we're draining.
Whoa.
Wait, actually.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wait.
Whoa,
Oh,
whoa,
wait.
whoa.
You don't even have to get rid of the ice. You don't even have to get rid of the ice.
Oh wait, true. Yeah, just like it's kind of.
You just have to get the edges, right?
Yeah. Get the edges.
Okay.
I'm just wait. We can go quick. I'm just gonna walk backwards. I'm walking backwards. Just go. Let's try and get as fast as we can. Let's try and get as fast as we can. I'm just gonna go backwards.
Oh my God, there's a massive flood behind us.
We can get to that after.
Oh yeah, this is so easy.
This is getting so much. This is getting so much.
Walk in the same path the whole time. I just have to like hold down walk and just right click and it.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, you guys both fell. You guys both messed up. The Quavis is actually getting the sponges.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think we need them, but it's okay.
We don't need them, but
wait, DeQuavis. Wait, DeQuavis, come back. Wait, you don't need to collect them. We got plenty of sponges.
Hold on. What if he goes in the back and blows up all the ice with TNT?
Yeah. Wait, DeQuavis, blow up the ice with TNT. Take more TNT. Here, DeQuavis, take more. Your mic isn't working, by the way, if you're talking.
Yeah, we don't hear you.
We don't hear you.
Yo, this is awesome. Thank you. Yo, everybody, if you are rich.
Hello?
Oh, I hear you. You're quiet, but I hear you. Right here.
Why am I quiet?
DeQuavis.